Believe it or not, becoming a millionaire before 30 is achievable, and you possess the power to make it a reality. Visualize having a high income, amassing a substantial savings rate, wielding a diversified skill set, and making strategic investments aren't mere illusions, they're the stepping stones on your path to wealth. Endeavoring continuous learning, managing risks wisely, and seizing entrepreneurial opportunities are the keys to unlock this treasure chest of financial freedom. So, are you ready to seize the gold before 30? Let's delve into actionable steps to start your journey towards wealth. So, you've got the millionaire mindset, now let's explore the practical steps to get there. Let's break this down into clear, actionable steps. First off, consider pursuing an education. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's financial power. This doesn't always mean a traditional college degree. There are numerous ways to gain knowledge that can translate into financial success. Next on our list is networks. As the saying goes, your network is your net worth. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who can provide mentorship, collaboration, and potential business opportunities is crucial to your prosperity journey. The third step that you should take is investing in real estate. Investing in real estate is a time-tested strategy for wealth creation. Whether you're purchasing rental properties or flipping houses, real estate can provide a consistent income stream and long-term financial security. The fourth step that you want to take if you really want to get rich before 30 is consider starting a business. Entrepreneurship is not for everyone, and that's okay. But if you're willing to take the risk, starting a business could catapult your wealth to new heights. Bear in mind, these are not the only pathways to wealth. They are, however, proven ones. Each of these steps requires commitment, patience, and a willingness to learn. There may be roadblocks, there may be setbacks, but remember, every journey to prosperity is unique. Before we move on to the pitfalls to avoid, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in more content like this, let us know in the comments below. Now let's explore the traps you should steer clear of. Remember, the pathway to prosperity requires dedication, but the payoff is worth every bit of effort. Now that we've covered the steps to wealth, let's discuss the traps you should steer clear of. First off, poor spending habits. It's easy to get caught up in the glamour of the millionaire lifestyle, but remember, every penny spent today is a penny less for your future. Overspending on non-essential items can quickly erode your wealth. So, keep an eye on those credit card bills and cut back on impulse buying. Next up is lack of financial discipline. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires consistency, patience, and discipline. Without a solid savings and investment plan, you risk spending all your hard-earned money without realizing. Make a plan and stick to it, your future millionaire self will thank you. Then there's the fear of taking calculated risks. Sure, risks are scary, but remember, no risk, no reward. The most successful people have all taken risks at some point. But these aren't reckless gambles. They're calculated risks, based on research, knowledge, and a clear understanding of potential losses. Don't let fear stifle your growth. It's crucial to maintain a positive and proactive attitude towards wealth creation. Negative thinking and a defeatist attitude can be your worst enemies. Believe in your ability to succeed, stay focused on your goals, and let that drive your actions. Avoiding these pitfalls will keep you on the fast track to financial success. Becoming rich before 30 is no fairy tale. It's a reality that you can make happen. Remember, the journey to wealth isn't a sprint, but a marathon, and every step counts. Let's quickly recap the key points we've uncovered in the video. First up, a high income and high savings rate are the basic building blocks to becoming a millionaire. It's not just about earning more, but also about saving more and spending less. Next, a diversified skill set is a valuable asset. The more skills you have, the more opportunities you'll have to earn and grow your wealth. And let's not forget strategic investments. Whether it's real estate, stocks, or starting your own business, investing wisely can significantly accelerate your wealth creation process. Continuous learning is another critical aspect. The world is, and so should your knowledge. Keep learning, growing. This doesn't just apply to your professional skills, but also to your financial literacy. Equip yourself with the knowledge to understand and manage risks associated with your investments. Lastly, seize entrepreneurial opportunities. Don't just wait for opportunities to knock on your door. Go out there, create opportunities. Remember, risk is an inherent part of the wealth creation process. But with calculated risks and a strategic approach, you can turn these risks into opportunities. So there you have it. With these steps and a determined mindset, Becoming a millionaire before 30 is within your grasp. Start your journey today, and your wealth grow. Now that you've learned these strategies to build wealth before 30, what's your biggest takeaway or your next step toward financial success? Share your thoughts in the comments below.